So first off, got these fake lug nuts, like lug nut cover things. Sometimes they unscrew, sometimes they pop off, like they're like clips you use a flathead to pry off, but on this one, unscrew, take the center hub off. So we're doing a little cheater bar method. Place. If you're not sure where to jack it up, I typically do around right here on the frame. It's nice and strong, structural, all that good stuff. I'll pop these off real quick. You're gonna grab your 12mm socket. This bolt right here is going easy peasy. I like that. Should just slide right off. Holy crap. Well, that's why it's seized on there. Look at that. So, I'm gonna slap one of these brake pads back on here. Take our handy dandy compressor tool. Hold on. There you go. I'm gonna compress that piston. Just slow turns. It's good to get into the habit of popping the cap off of the brake fluid reservoir. It's not a big deal on vehicles like this really, but some vehicles, you know, when you're pressing all that fluid back into the reservoir, it creates a lot of pressure in the bottle and fights you. All that fun stuff. But that should be perfect.